Guys, it's me, Baylor, and today we are going to be making some soft Play-Doh. Well, in my previous video, I made a putty, no, I didn't make a putty, I did my putty collection. Well, a lot of people liked that. It was a good video, and so now I am going to do how to make the Play-Doh soft putty. And if you have not seen that video, you gotta go check it out. It's really good. And so, yeah, let's get started. The ingredients are some Play-Doh. I'm just using a little bit, and it's new, so it's pretty soft now. And some lotion. You guys are not gonna want. Okay, guys, before you start this, there is stages. Stages, I say. So the first stage is it's gonna get goopy and gross, and you're like, nah, it settled down. Just keep playing it. Then it gets kind of goopy, and it's still a little bit goopy. It's not ready yet, but it's soft. And so, yeah, those are the stages. So let's add a little bit of lotion. I'm not adding much. Actually, that's a lot. So, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Thing is, they're not dirty, they're getting clean because it's lotion. So, it's funny, I think. And I spilled some lotion on me. That's okay, though. Lotion cleans, right, Mom? And my mom's downstairs. Guys, it's the goopy, gross stage. And guys, if you do this with a color, like if you do this with purple and you put the lotion in there, it gets like a light purple. So like if you have a navy dark blue that you don't like and you add this, it might get like a pretty blue. It's getting so soft. Guys, this is a long video. The longest video I've ever made was 5 minutes. Guys, I might start vlogging. What do you guys think about that? Vlog life. That'd be a long. I don't know if I can do that. Well, I'm not like Logan Paul or anything. So, yeah. Guys, we need to get more views and like. It's not stretchy, so you can't even stretch it. You can kind of stretch it. It's really soft. This is like butter slime. Let me show you. From my view. Looks kind of big. Guys, you guys really need to try this. So I'm going to post it more, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. So, have a nice day.